Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series. Semester 1, Standard 2nd, book. Page number 15. Page number 15. Exercise. Who said the following words and to whom? Who said the following words and to whom? Yes. A1. Wolf, 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 wolf. Said by shepherd boy to the farmers. Shepherd boy said by shepherd boy to the farmers. He is a liar. He is a liar. Second one, B. He is a liar. Farmers said to Manu, shepherd boy. Farmers said to Manu, shepherd boy. Now page number 16. Open page number 16. 16 page number. Third one. Correct the correct statement and wrong ones. Manu was a schoolboy. Manu was a schoolboy? No. That is wrong. Make it wrong. The farmer came to help Manu 3 times. Correct. The wolf came and took away a sheep. Correct. Manu continued fooling people. Wrong. Manu continued fooling people. Wrong. Activity language development. Read the following words aloud. Fill in the blanks using the correct word. Clown, down, brown, crown, clown. This is clown and this is crown. And this is town. Anu is a clown. Anu is a clown. He lives in a town. He lives in a town. He wears a brown top and a crown on his head. He bends down. He bends down. Now, second one. Identify each person. They are community helpers. Write their names. Write their names. Use the keywords given below. Use the keywords given below. Policeman, barber, astronaut, tailor, postman, doctor, maid, cobbler. So see here what she is doing. Tailor, maid, tailor, maid, policeman, cobbler, doctor, postman, barber, astronaut. Writing skill. Write 2 sentences on each of the following community helpers in your notebook. Who are they? How do they help us? Teacher, milkman, okay. Then greengrocer, he is a greengrocer, third one. Nurse, and this is grocer. Okay. Now what you have to write is, you write 2 sentences. See here. First one I told, she is a teacher. See here. She is a teacher. She teaches children. He is a milkman. He brings us milk. This one. Now, C1. He is a greengrocer. He sells vegetables and fruits. She is a nurse. She looks after sick people. He is a grocer. He sells grains, pulses, oil and other food items. Other food items. Speaking skill. Discuss in the class. Discuss in the class. If doctors go on strike. Discuss in the class. Activity, grammar, articles a and the. Activity, grammar, articles a and the. A. Say it aloud. Say it aloud. A and an are called indefinite articles. A and an are called indefinite articles. Use an before a noun that begins with a vowel sound. That begins with a vowel sound. Use a before a noun that begins with a consonant. That begins with a consonant. A and an are called indefinite articles. Use an before a noun that begins with a vowel sound. Vowel sound. Use a before a noun that begins with a consonant. That begins with a consonant. Now page number 18. Circle the article that goes before the word. Circle the article that goes before the word. Before the word. So an actor. An actor. Okay. An actor. An actor. B1. An beetle. A beetle. A beetle. An shepherd boy. An shepherd boy. A shepherd boy. A shepherd boy. D1. An eraser. An eraser. An eraser. E1. An farm. F-A-R-M. Farm. A farm. A farm. Then an Indian. I am an Indian. An Indian. An Indian. An cobbler. A cobbler. An umbrella. An umbrella. An umbrella. An ice cream. An ice cream. An ice cream. An cottage. An cottage. A cottage. An astronaut. An astronaut. An astronaut. Astronaut. Then an orange. An orange. An orange. An tailor. An tailor. A tailor. A tailor. An hour. An hour. Hour. An hour. An electrician. A electrician. A electrician. An onion. An onion. An onion. Say it aloud. The word the is called the definite article. Use the to talk about a particular thing. Use the to talk about the same noun the second time. Example. The vase on the second shelf is expensive. The vase on the second shelf is expensive. It is a crow. The crow is thirsty. It is a crow. The crow is thirsty. Fill in the blanks with the articles a, an, or the to complete the story. To complete the story. There was dash a cat. There was a cat. A cat. The cat was on a tree. The cat was on a tree. The cat saw an eagle. The cat saw an eagle. The eagle saw the cat. The eagle saw the cat. The cat peered at the eagle. The eagle flew down and sat near the cat. The cat jumped at the eagle. The eagle quickly flew away. The eagle quickly flew away. Now, challenge. Write 3 sentences using the articles a, an, or, the in your notebook. Write 3 sentences using the articles a, an, or, the in your notebook. Read the story, The Shepherd Boy. Pick up 3 sentences with articles a, an, or, the. Write them in your notebook. Write them in your notebook. You have to write. You have to write. What you have to write? Write 3 sentences using the articles. You have to use the articles, that is a, an, or, the in your notebook. Read the story, The Shepherd Boy. Pick up 3 sentences with the articles a, an, or, the. Write them in your notebook. Notebook. See here. Write them in your notebook. The question and the 3 answers will be given like this. Manu was a shepherd boy. Manu was a shepherd boy. B1. One day a hungry wolf came and attacked attacked a sheep. The wolf took away one sheep. The wolf took away one sheep. They asked to write a, then what? A, an. One day a hungry wolf came and attacked a sheep. The wolf took away one sheep. Manu was a shepherd boy. One day a hungry wolf came and attacked a sheep. The wolf took away one sheep. Okay? This way you have to write. So, the homework will be from page number 15 to okay children, homework is from page number 15 to 18, read and write one time. Read and write one time. With this, we will meet in the next video. Thank you, children.